Hello everyone, myself Sarita Suri. Today I am going to tell you about some shortcut methods used in mathematics. Now see shortcut methods you can use in mathematics. First is the multiplication of two-digit numbers. You can take any numbers, multiply the digits at the unit place. 7 9 ja 63. Put 3 here and keep 6 as carry. Now second step is multiply in cross. 2 9 ja 18, 7 1 ja 7, 18 plus 7 25 and 6 carry 31. Put 1 here and keep 3 as carry. Now multiply digits at the tens place. 2 1 ja 2 and plus 3 carry 5. Now the answer is 5 1 3. Similarly you can repeat with any two-digit numbers. Now I repeat the process. 3 2 ja 6. Put here. Multiply in cross. 2 2 ja 4. 3 1 ja 3. Add these two digits. 3 plus 4 7. If there is two-digit number, then you have to keep the unit at the tens place as carry. Put 7 here. 2 1 ja 2. I think you understand the process now. Now see the multiplication of three-digit numbers. In three-digit numbers, first step is same. You have to multiply the digits at the unit place. 3 2 ja 6. For second step, use middle and the unit terms in products. 2 2 ja 4. 3 4 ja 12. 12 plus 2, 12 plus 4 16. 6 here and 1 as keep 1 as carry. For third step, in three-digit numbers, multiply extreme ends and plus middle terms. 1 2 ja 2, 3 3 ja 9, 2 4 ja 8. Add these 19 plus 1 carry 20. Put 0 here and keep 2 as carry. Next step, now leave digits at the unit place and multiply these two. 2 3 ja 6, 1 4 ja 4. 6 plus 4 10, 2 carry. 12, put 2 here and 1 as carry. And the last step is again same. Multiply the digits at the last places. 1 3 ja 3 plus 1 carry 4. And the answer is 42066. You can try these as any three-digit numbers. Now I am going to tell you about squaring of numbers ending with 5. It is very simple. You get any numbers ending with 5. 5 5 ja 25. Multiply the digits at the unit place. And for this 7 into 7, you have to add 1 in these digits. 7 plus 1 8 equal to 56. The answer is 5625. Again listen the process. Multiply the digits at the unit place. 5 5 ja 25 and then add 1 to it. 7 plus 1 8, 8 7 ja 56. The answer is 5625. In this process you can multiply the any digit number, even three digits number. 5 5 ja 25. 11 multiply by 11 plus 1 12. 12 11 ja 132. The process remains same in three digit numbers. Squaring of numbers between 50 and 60. 50 and 60. Take any number between 50 and 60. 59 into 59. 9 9 ja 81. And the first step is multiply the digits at the unit places. And the second step is multiply the digits at the tens places. 5 5 ja 25 plus the digit at the unit place 34 and put 34 here. Similarly 3 3s are 9. Remember that you have to put the answer in two digits. If you put simple 9 here and the answer is 289, then it is wrong. 3 3s are 9 means 09. 5 5s are 25 plus 3 28. Your answer is. Multiplication of numbers with a series of 9s. It seems to be hard, but it is very simple. if you have to multiply any number with the series of 9s, whether it's 3 9, 4 9, 5 6 9, it's very simple. The first step is subtract 1 from this number. 753 minus 1, 752. Put it here. Then subtract this answer from the multiplier. 999 minus 752, 247. Put it here. Similarly, if you have 4 9s, then the process is same. Subtract 1. 8954 minus 1, 8953. Now subtract multiplier this answer from the multiplier. 9999 minus 8953, 1046. You can do it with any number. Similarly, 2 large. We have 6 9s. Similarly, subtract 1. We get this. Put it here. Now subtract this from this. We get this. Put it here. I think you understand this thing. But if you have to multiply 45 with 999, then what you have to do? You have to put here 0, so that there are 3 digits too. Now subtract 1, 044, or now subtract 044 from 999, 955 here. I think you understand these steps. Next time we do more things.